Welcome! Today, I'm going to show you how to allow your followers to mention you on the Instagram app when using it on your PC, thanks to the latest update. This is a handy feature if you want to control who can tag you in their posts and stories, helping you stay connected with the people you follow without opening yourself up to unwanted mentions. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Once you're logged in, look to the left side of your screen where you'll find the menu. Click on the More icon. This usually looks like 3 horizontal lines or dots. Next, from the menu options, select Settings. This will take you to where you can customize many aspects of your Instagram experience. Inside Settings, find and click on Tags and Mentions. This section is where you manage how others can interact with you through tags and mentions. Now, look for the option labeled Who Can Mention You. By default, this might be set to allow mentions from everyone or a broader group. To restrict mentions to only the people you follow, select the option that says Allow mentions from people you follow. This way, only your followers whom you also follow back can mention you in their posts, comments, or stories. Once you've made this selection, your settings will update automatically. You don't need to save manually, so you can simply exit the menu. And that's it. You've successfully adjusted your Instagram settings on PC to control who can mention you. This feature is perfect for maintaining your privacy while still engaging with your close network. If you want to reverse this or change it later, just follow the same steps and choose a different option under Who Can Mention You. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a more personalized Instagram experience on your PC.